to have a look at it. Oh my god, guys. Gotta go. That means we gotta go. We're just on the side of the road to see these mountains. The only thing you can see is this. I don't think the fog will clear anytime soon. Hopefully by the time we come back we can see it. So we just at another pit stop, and now that the fog is a little bit clearer, we can see the mountain right there. We made it. Thank you. We're going to board the cruise ship now. Look how beautiful.
You're off to the right.
We're on the boat. I'm gonna make my way to the front.
It's been a while and I'm scared for you. You wanted time, I made plans for two. That's why we should keep it like this. Finger on the trigger and you know I don't miss so.
This is our picnic. I knew it. We have like a wrap, some chips. What else did they give us? A Anzac biscuit. I might have that with some tea or coffee later on. What else is in here? Oh, crackers and cheese slices. We have apple, a kiwi fruit, and what is this? Chocolate. Yeah, that is our picnic. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat it. We're heading back now. I'm gonna feed the alpaca. I got alpaca food and I have 10 minutes. Oh, big guy. He wants something to eat. Oh my god, he's so cute. They're all coming to me. Alright, who wants some? Hey! He spat at me. Bye bye, little guy. Good morning. Well, it's good afternoon now. Today I have decided to take a rest day, so I am going to the Skyline gondola. I'm gonna have a buffet lunch there. I'm so excited. It only takes 5 minutes to go all the way up the gondola, but still it's gonna be beautiful. It is raining today, It's not so heavy pissing down, but it's just a little bit of a drizzle here and there. As you can see, the mountains are covered by fog and by rain. It's still a beautiful view regardless. Like, look at that. I can't get enough of this view. Oh, honestly. So this is actually the view from my room, and I'm so grateful to be able to experience this and to, you know, see, like, to have the sight of seeing, just to be able to look at this grand landscape. Amazing. So anyways, I did my makeup today. Very, very minimal because my skin's playing up. I am breaking out way too much up around my hairline. I don't know why. Maybe because decided to say hello this week out of all weeks. But I am not going to let her ruin this trip. I am having a grand time. So let's get this day started. Finally, it is in the afternoon, but hey, it is my rest day after all. I'm on the gondola. Yeah. I wish I was riding on it when it was sunny, but it's alright. Can't see anything, but it's alright. This is my first one. I don't want to get too full, so that's why I want to get full, but I don't want to get full on this, so that's why I only have a little bit. Orange juice, so I'm having breakfast and then I'm going to have lunch. And then that's the view there. How cute. The barista gave me a love heart on my coffee. Hi everybody, today is Monday. Unfortunate again that my tour decided to cancel on me again. I booked the same tour hoping that I'll be able to get on it today, but they cancelled me this morning saying that I was the only one that booked the tour for today. So I decided just to go to Arrowtown by myself. I caught the old bus and just going to do a self-tour. Gonna just look around. I won't be able to go to Wanaka Lake, unfortunately, because you have to drive there, and I don't have a car to drive there, and it'll be an hour away from Arrowtown, so it's already 1 o'clock. I just visited the museum. So this is the museum here, and I just got out of it. It's kind of creepy. It was kind of creepy because there were like random old mannequins in there, and it was like as if it was haunted. And apparently the museum is going to be shut down soon, but they're trying to fundraise some money so this museum can still be standing because it's not doing very well. So if you guys are around Arrowtown in Queenstown, definitely check the museum out. It's interesting. $10 for admission, but you know, it's great to support the locals here. dash hounds having so much fun. And then these hills, these mountains, sorry. It's not raining, it is quite damp. So now I am going to, I think it's the walk right there. Oh, this is the, I think I found the walk. So this is the trek. I think this is the anniversary track because they said it's a flat hill. But I'm going to have myself some wine and cheese and just rest a bit because my back is aching. So I will do that. So how it works is that you have your own tab card and then you have your own wine glass and you go around. I'll show you how it works. Try one. So here's the little sampling machine here. This is where all the salves and the rosés are. So what you do is just shove your card in here. I think he said this way. Let me see. That. And then alright, I had to put you guys down because I only have two hands. But pretty much you put your card in there and then you insert your glass into one of the funnels, the spout. And then there's 3 different volumes that you can pick depending on what you want. You have a half glass, full glass, and a taster. Of course I had that because if I drink too much, that's no good. And that's it. This is my little cheese platter. I got some crackers. Looks like cranberry apricots, honey, some jam, 4 cheeses, whatever that is, olive oil and balsamic, and got me bread. I'm so happy. This is all I wanted today.